Hi everyone, this is Icon Shelf. It's a free and open source program that runs on Windows, Linux, and Mac, and it helps you organize and manage and search for and optimize your icons. So I have over 42,000 different icons that I've downloaded from different sources, and you can use these just by dragging and dropping into any graphic design program you have on your computer or web-based, or you can click over here and copy them. You can copy them, all kinds of different options for how you want to copy it. They're all SVG based, but you can copy just the raw code. You can do URI, you can copy for Vue or React. And so really, really cool things. Also, you can create your own collections and import and export these icons also. And when you import them, they are optimized. So you can go here to preferences and you can choose how they get cleaned up and how it kind of optimizes the SVG code so it's not messy and it's ideal for web design or app development. Real quick, so we can see how this works. If we type in like YouTube, we start typing here, it says none are found because we're searching under this mono style. But if we search under certain styles, it'll show us what their style of the YouTube logo looks like. If we go to all icons, it'll search through all of them, and we have all these different choices. And if we find one that we want to use, I can open up Inkscape, for example, here, and we can just drag this in. And now we have this in Inkscape, and we can click in here and change the color of it, and we could come in and even edit it if we wanted to and change the style. Or, and this is just using it in vector for design, we could also copy it and use it if we just copy this URI here, and then we can just bring up a text document and paste just this URI, and so this displayed, I believe we can even paste that in the web browser. Let's see here. Yeah, I think we can put this right in the web browser. Yeah, there we go. So even just pasting just this URI right in the web browser will draw this icon. So really, really cool stuff. This is the page you can download it from. I'll include a link in the description. You can download it for, like I said, Windows, Linux, and Mac. And there's also some other cool things you can do too. You can connect it to your GitHub, or you can sync this file if you're developing as a team. You can sync all your icons together if you're developing your own custom icons, or you can use it just for searching. So like I said, you can find like this feather style. If we start erasing YouTube, we can see all the different styles in this feather collection, and we can change the color if we want to search. If we want to look a certain color, we can change this, but we can just change that. Also in the settings here, we can change from light mode and dark mode. So there's some different options for that. I don't know if it's been developed for too long. I think it's definitely still being developed. I'm not affiliated at all with the program. I just think it's really cool, and I use it for organizing my icons. I download the free and open source icons so I can use them for personal and commercial use. And icons are so small that there's a lot of online websites that offer this as a service, but they're so small you can just download and host these yourself, your own hosted icons. Then you have them if you don't have internet access, or you're in complete control of your collection. So that's one thing I like a lot. Anyway, check out Icon Shelf. Really, really cool software. I'm running it in Linux Mint via the app image, but it works well on Windows and Mac also. If you have any questions or comments about Icon Shelf, please leave them below and I'll do my best to answer them. And I look forward to catching you in the next video.